Republic
and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship,
equality
to of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our constitute assembly this 26th day of November 1949 to hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this constitution. Jai Hind.